Hey folks there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about uh, this world of content creation, and especially gonna talk about this amazing platform WriterAccess, all right? WriterAccess is one of the top-notch content and skilled freelance writer. So, what is exactly Writer Access? Is a marketplace connecting businesses and individuals with a roster of expert writers who've been handpicked and and confirmed to fulfill your unique content needs. Here's why Writer Access stands out. Extensive writer pool with a whopping 10,000 writers at your fingertips. Finding the perfect match for your project is really simple and it's really easy, all right? Now, also, Writer Access strict has strict quality standards, ensuring that every writer on the platform is skilled and experienced. That means that the content you receive will exceed your expectation. Transparent pricing. Writer Access offers a pricing system based on project length and complexity, so you always know what you're investing in. Now, payment options. PayPal, credit cards, or wire transfers, Writer Access has you covered. Now, Writer Access also comes packed with tools to supercharge your content projects. Content brief tool, crafting a detailed project is really easy, ensuring writers understand your vision perfectly. Also, plagiarism checker, revision tool, and project management. You can communicate with your chosen writer all in one place. Now, to sign up, you can start here a free trial. So hire the best freelancers and streamline your workflow. Click on start free trial and here write your name, company website, and then you can hire writers with content intelligence. Join 40,000 customers that love us. And now we can put our number here, business email, phone number, select how many employees in your country, less do you work in an agency, yes. Now I'm just gonna fill this login, this sign up here. I'm gonna fill this and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna pause the video now for now. Now what you need to do at the end here is to simply click on add your card holder name, card number, expiration name, and your card information, so you can start your trial. 40 days trial gives you free access to our starter plan, writer, designer, and copy, escape, originality, verification, keyword manage, and SEO reports. All right, very nice, and that's what you have to do. Now we can check here about Writer Access, our story, industries, agency, finance, real estate, technology, and all industries for customers and for freelancers. Join our workflow. So if you want to join for a freelancer, how it works, let's say this, the writer pure organic growth, how it works for freelancer, more work and higher payer. Freelancer apply now. It's free, so create a free online portfolio, showcase your wizardry, and only Writer Access offers proprietary tools and software integration to scale content marketing with ease. Now we can apply here if you want. We want to work as a freelancer. Now apply with Giphy and get started by authentically your LinkedIn account with Writer Access so we can populate the application from save your time. So that's what you have to do, sign with your LinkedIn, which is really nice if you have experience, if you use LinkedIn a lot. You can simply sign with LinkedIn and then just gonna help you if you have a LinkedIn account with your experience, your past experience, with your qualifications, with your connections. So that can really be helpful. Now, connect with clients or of all sizes, get matched up with AI search. So more than 40,000 brands ranging from agency, Fortune 500 companies that connect with freelancer using advanced search hosting tools and try AI powerful writer search. Explore our gig and job openings. Get the fast track for approval. Explore skill opening list. Now you have to apply here. It's free. So join our exclusive network. Just have to use your LinkedIn. As I said here, you can see it for customer and for freelancers. So you can apply as a freelancer as well. How it works for freelancers: more work and higher pay. Join our liberated workflow, fast, easy and free. Easy apply. Build portfolio. Portfolio is really essential if you want to get clients. So yeah, earn great pay, deliver great work, earn higher pay rates. All you have to do right now is to join our liberated workflow. We also have resources here: Fortify your smart attitude, resources for content marketing. They also have a lot of popular resources for everyone: webinars, academy, earn content, strategic certifications that become a content marketing roster. They also have lightning resources for customers, platform tips, training videos, customer stories. So we can also check customer stories here. Download case study. We can download case studies, which is really nice, can build a lot of trust if someone will give you some testimonials or custom stories, customer stories, integrational partners, competitor review, learning resources for freelancers, WriterAccess, and here it's free to apply. Yes, no fees obligation. Who can apply? We're now accepting submissions from residents US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, Africa, Republic of Ireland, and you'll need a PayPal account for payment. So keep in mind, they only accept application for this residents of US, UK, New Zealand. So yeah. Now, how does this work for writers? Writers who are accepted receive an initial star rating from 3, 4, or 5, or 6, which is determined by the strength of their profiles, writing samples, and initial application and test score. A writer's level can improve or decline as assignments are completed and rated exceed expectations by customers. Clients can place orders with writers using a pay per hour order. How does this work? Can you explain pricing transparency? Can you sell the same article for several clients? No. Can you sell the same article for clients? Do you check? So make sure you check this in resources. Here you have also Writer a FAQ Academy podcast for writers. So I really hope you found this overview helpful. This WriterAccess overview. I really hope you learned something, helped you to get familiar with this website, with the dashboard, with how it works. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.